Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce how to enroll the accessories to the TUTTI Wi-Fi alarm systems. First, you can use the Enroll button on the back of TUTTI. Press once to enter Enroll mode, and then trigger the door sensor. Press any button of the remote. Now it's enrolled successfully. You can press once to escape. So you can operate with your remote control now. You can also use the apps to add the device. Find the accessories and then add. Now it's also entering enroll mode, and you can also trigger the sensors just like before, and then escape. You can find there are one sensors we enrolled and one remote. So that's all about this. Thanks for watching.